Hello everyone, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Kingspec Designs. You're actually welcome to my channel, Kingspec Designs. In case you're joining me for the first time, what I want you to do is to please hit on the big red button here and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to always hit on the notification button so that you don't miss out on anything I upload, any new video I upload, so that you get notified anytime I upload new video. Alright, in today's tutorial we'll be looking at how to create pages using Blogger, how to add pages to your Blogger. For example, I'm coming to, this is the blog page we have been working on. These are the pages, these are all the posts we've actually created. Don't get it confused. There's a big difference between our posts and pages. Pages are usually static, while our posts are time stamped. They are always time stamped. They come in, as in they update themselves frequently as we also update our blog. While pages are a kind of static, they are static, they don't change except we update it. Now we look at, let me show you something here. This is my blog. Okay, let me try to scroll up. So now you can see, like now I'm having a page here. This particular page, this contact us page, this is actually a page. Now I'm going to, after creating this page, maybe in another other tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add those pages you've created to your navigation bar, just the way I have mine here. If you still scroll down, I still have some other pages here also, the contact me pages, the hire, contact us, and the hire me page. So I will show you how to do all this navigation probably in another video, because I don't want this video to be a kind of too long, so that you won't get boring listening to it. Okay, let's go back to our blog, where I'm going to show you how to create your pages. But before then, let me open this in a new tab, because I want to make use of the right up there. Okay, now let me come to create new page. You come to pages, on your dashboard here. Just click on pages. It's going to open up. You can see already I have some pages I created for this particular blog before. So now another thing we are going to be I'm going to be adding another new page to this particular design, so that let me say I want to add something like contact us. I'm going to be adding two more pages, contact us pages, and also let me say a hire me page. So now I'm going to click on add page. When you click on add page, just wait, it's going to load up. While it's loading, let me just go and copy this text out. Let me say, for example, if this is what I want to be there, you can see this is my contact me page on this particular blog. So just copy it. I'm going to copy, then come to blog here. Now I can just paste it inside, straight direct. This is where the content is going to go. If I wish to add pictures to this contact me page, maybe I wish to add pictures, you know where to do that. You come to pictures, insert picture, you add all your picture. Then under the page option, if you click on allow comment, now this allow comments here, what it does now, if I should publish this post now, can the reader, let me show you from here now, like now you can see this one here, it was actually allowed. I allow comments on this particular one, so someone can actually comment after reading this, can actually comment on this particular page. Someone can drop a comment on this particular page. So in case yours now, you don't want on your pages, on this your contact me pages, you don't want anybody to drop a comment on that page, you can actually click on the don't allow. Like now, for example, I'm going to leave this as don't allow. Then in the next one I'm going to do, I will leave it as allow, so that I want to show you the difference among them. Now I'll just click on all these ones. It's not too necessary, okay, but we'll just click on this don't allow, then done. Now I say this is our contact us page. Let me name it as contact us. Now after doing this, the next thing I'm going to do is just to hit on publish. Then I'm going to publish this particular post. You can see the new contact us page. Now if I want to view this, let me click on view. Let me open it on a new tab. So we now see we have our contact us page here. Now you can see, because I did not allow comments, you can see there's no provision for comments. If I continue scrolling down, you see it will get to the end of the page, and just that is because I did not allow comments on this particular page of this blog. Now when I'm going to create a new tab, a new page again. So now I can call it page, or you call it tab in Blogger. It's almost the same thing because they almost look like tab. The same. Okay, now we're going to create another one. Let me name this hire me. Then let me assume it's the same post, so I'm pasting it here again. Then on this one now, I'll allow comments, then okay, publish. Now let's see the difference. Now when I view this, if I should view this now, see what happens. When I scroll down, you see that the comment section appears. You can see I can actually comment on this particular, someone can actually drop a comment on this particular page. So you can see the difference between the two of them, when I allow comment and when I don't allow comments. This is the difference between the two of them. This one does not allow comment, while this allows comment. So that is the key difference between the two things we've actually created here. Now from after this, now the next tutorial I'm going to be showing you is how to be linking all these pages you've created now to your navigation bar. I don't want to do that on this particular video, so that I don't want to make the video too long for you. So in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to link all these pages together with this. Now if you can see, when I view the entire blog, you can see we don't have all those pages here. The pages we've created now, they are not there. You can see they are not on this particular navigation bar. So I'll be showing you how to link them to this navigation bar in the next tutorial. Thank you for always staying with me, and don't forget, I'm also going to show you how to change all this. You can see this is the follow com. This came with the template we installed. This is not actually what our blog is supposed to, how the name we gave to our blog, but I'm going to be showing you how to do the changes to this. Just be patient with me. We'll be taking you through this work one after the other without rushing. All right, now in case you're just joining me once again, I want to say thank you for staying with me to this moment. And in case you've not subscribed, you can actually subscribe. If you have any question you want to ask, you can actually drop it in the description box below. If you're watching this from my blog, you can actually comment on the blog. I will try my best to reply you as much as I can. And If you want, you can actually watch other of my videos to get cleared of any topic you want. And if you don't understand this video, you can actually replay it again. Maybe you might have missed something you need to learn again. Okay, until next time, bye.